Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If YouTube is not working on your MacBook, maybe the site won't load or videos just won't play, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick and effective ways to fix it. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. Then move to the top left corner, click on Safari, and select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on the Extensions tab. Now take a look at your extensions and try turning them off, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions. These can sometimes block YouTube from working properly. Next, click on the Security tab. Make sure Enable JavaScript is turned on. This is very important because YouTube relies on JavaScript to load and play videos. After that, go to the Privacy tab. Click on Manage Website Data. Then in the search bar, type YouTube. Select youtube.com, click Remove, and then hit Done. This clears any corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Now go back to Safari and refresh the YouTube page. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If it's still not working, try switching browsers. For example, open Google Chrome or any other browser and check if YouTube works there. This helps you know if the issue is browser-specific. If YouTube still isn't working, the problem might be your internet connection. Click on the Wi-Fi icon in the top right corner, then select Wi-Fi settings. Click on Details next to your current network, then click Forget this network, and confirm by clicking Remove. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi again. Once you're back online, open YouTube and check if everything is working properly. Quick tip, if you're using a VPN, try turning it off as well, because it can sometimes block YouTube or slow things down. Alright, that's pretty much it. One of these methods should get YouTube working again on your Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.